level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
Hey loves, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make sashes for either mom to be, grandma to be, aunt to be, whatever have you. Mine's are going to say Glam-ma to be, and it's very nice ribbon. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It is a jumbo roll of satin fabric. It's $6.99 a piece. So I already went ahead and measured my sashes so I can make sure that they fit the body. You just want to loop it around your shoulder, and then towards the end you'll have it like so. It will, you know, have a design like that. I want mine at the bottom to have like that ribbon sort of effect, so I'm going to cut like a V shape on mine. So what you're going to first do is line it up, and I'm going to cut it in the middle and go up towards the center. And that's how you create this ribbon look. Okay, so I'll do that on both of them. So after you've done that, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take a lighter and just gently go across it so that it won't burn. But try not to make the design pop out of it. See how I got a little bit out of the design there? I'm going to take my scissors, cut it some more. So next I'm going to be using some transfer letters that I actually got from Michael's. I believe these were $5.99 each, and I used my 50 off coupon. So you'll get 2 sheets like this, and they're glitter letters. So I'm going to cut out the letters I need. But I'm going to do the same with the black glitter letters. And then cut around the edge of the letter. So here's what it looks like afterwards. I'm going to cut out all of my letters. So next you're going to remove the plastic from the back of the letters. And I use the exclamation point to be the dash between the glam and the ma, because I didn't have like a dash sign, so I'm just going to remove the plastic, and I'm not going to use the dot part. So I have my iron set on cotton, and I'm going to take a pillowcase or any sort of cotton fabric. I'm going to place it over the letters, and then I'm going to hold it down for 20 to 30 seconds, okay? Yay! And there you have it. It looks beautiful. It's sticking right on there. There's nothing lifting. It looks amazing. So I went ahead and I put the sash on so I can see where it naturally fell at and where the diagonal ends up at. I'm going to take some hot glue and I'm going to add it just to the top and the bottom of my sash. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today has been a ton of fun. I will be adding these to my Etsy shop. This was a lot of fun to create, and I would love to custom make these for moms to be, aunts to be, grandmas to be, or glammas to be, whatever have you. Make sure you check the description box for a link to my Etsy shop. Also make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be having another DIY out earlier this week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you all later. Have a blessed day.